Hello children, this is third video of Guardians of Forest EVS class 5. In this video we are going to learn about deforestation and its effect. What do you mean by deforestation? Children, deforestation means cutting down of trees on a large scale, which is called deforestation. Why people are cutting forest? To make roads, town, factories. Sometimes people are cutting forest for cultivation of crops for themselves. So if these many forests will cut down for our own purposes, so what will happen? Soil erosion will happen. Soil erosion means, as I told you about the Himachal and all northeastern areas where every day we are listening that soil erosion is happening, landslide is happening, पूरा का पूरा माउंटेन बहकर रोड पे चला रहा है and पूरा रोड ब्लॉक हो रहा. What is happening? Many people are dying in that. Many animals get affected. Because of deforestation, soil become loose. As I told you कि जो trees के roots होते हैं वो soil को बांध के रखते हैं. तो if trees are not there, definitely soil become very loose, and when rain will come or heavy wind will come, because of rain and wind, soil will be washed away. This is only called soil erosion. Because of deforestation, when soil become loose, and with rain and wind, when soil is washed away, this is only called soil erosion. And because of this, our agricultural output become reduced. Food shortage will increase, because if agricultural output is not more, हमारा जो क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन है, जब इतना सॉइल एरोजन हो रहा है तो उसमें डेफिनेटली मिनरल्स विल नॉट अवेलेबल. तो उस मिट्टी में उगा हुआ जो क्रॉप है, डेफिनेटली दैट विल आल्सो इनसफिशिएंट एंड नॉट good in quality. In this way, what will happen? Slowly food shortage will come. Food shortage will arise. And because of deforestation, children, not these things are happening, not we are only affected. Because of soil erosion, all these Adivasis people are affecting, because from jungle only they used to earn their livelihood. They are fully dependent on the forest. Forest was their shelter, forest was their god. From forest only they used to get different material for eating, for selling, or for hunting. Everything they are getting from the forest area only. Birds, animals, every one belongs to forest are fully affected, because they become homeless, just like panda. Because now very less bamboo jungles and eucalyptus jungles left, so the number of pandas also decreasing. They are reaching in an endangered condition. वो खात्मे की कगार पे है. And one day will come when they will become extinct. Next is preserving forest. Preserving forest and sacred groves. Children, these forests are the sources of beauty and mysteries. These forests were related to some myth and legends. Many folk lore composed about the forest. Some cultures believe that forest is the god's first temple. So they have a good respect for the forest. In some forests or groves, people believe that plants and animals who are living in these holy hills, these are the god's garden. These sacred area where these animals and plants are present in these holy hills, these are the companion of God, or this area where these living things are living. This is the god's garden. These kind of preserved and worshipped groves are called sacred groves. Children, as we are worshipping, or many people are worshipping people tree and neem tree, because people have believed that many god and goddesses are living in these trees. In the same way, if any jungle or if any forest, a place where a lot of holy trees are present, this type of area is called sacred groves. And in this area, cutting trees and killing animals or birds is prohibited, because it is the sacred area of the forest place. Children, these type of sacred groves are present in Meghalaya, Manipur and Kachar district of Assam. These these areas are protecting different type of species, plants and animal, because it already called a sacred area. The people have nice beliefs in god and goddesses, in forest god. So definitely no one is ready to cut trees, or no one is ready to kill in these sacred areas animals. It is, if anyone is killing animals or cutting trees in these holy groves, so this is called an unholy act. Children, different type of trees, herbs, medicinal plants, insect, they all are live in harmony in these kind of groves. So these groves become reservoir of biodiversity. These groves are the symbol of cultural integrity and biological diversity.